Your back affects your daily health. Welcome to another installment of Your Spine, Your Health.
Because you have a spine, it's important to understand what chiropractic care means to your health. Your health always starts with a regulatory college. In this case, the College of Chiropractors of BC serves to ensure you receive the appropriate diagnosis and care from a qualified chiropractic doctor today and tomorrow. That's also why BC's chiropractors fund research and education. Today, I want to introduce you to Dr. Greg Kotchuk, who is working with another innovative diagnostic tool, a flight simulator.
What we have here is what essentially is a flight simulator, but instead of recreating cockpit information and flight paths, what we can do is put in any type of movement information and recreate it here in our lab.
Flight simulator technology is used in a variety of different fields, from medical research to video games, in order to analyze and capture human movement. In this case, the device has been focused on the muscles that control the spine.
Well, as you can imagine, we always can't get our research equipment into the places where people work, or they do their sports, or wherever they have their back problems. But we can take certain things into those work environments, record what happens, and then replay it in our robot here. And that gives us a chance to study what's happening in a controlled environment.
It's like an EKG for your heart. You can monitor how someone is doing while they are at rest and while moving.
We kind of do the same thing here, where we can certainly measure some things with people at rest, but if we put them on the robot, we get to see how their core muscles work in a standardized set of activities. So what the robot will do is it will tell us if certain muscles are turning on or off at the correct times, as well as how much they're turning on or off. And that can tell us if certain parts of the trunk are weak or need attention.
Once we know if there are weak spots, the robot can focus on them, selectively training them using an individualized exercise plan.
What we do know is that people with back pain problems do contract their muscles differently at different times and in different ways. And what this device allows us to do is to really investigate those possibilities, because simply being in a clinician's office and bending down and touching your toes doesn't necessarily reveal all the problems that that person can have. So in this case, this gives us individualized information about someone's musculoskeletal system, and from there we can tailor individualized care for their specific problem.
As you can see, it's not just about what we can do for you today. We're working to build a better tomorrow with better health outcomes for you. The College of Chiropractors of BC sets the standards for safety, outcomes, and your informed consent.